What if I told you the real difference between a millionaire and someone just getting by isn't luck or even talent, but the way they think? Yeah, millionaires don't just make money, they think in a completely different language. While most people say, "I can't afford that," a millionaire asks, "How can I make it happen?" That one shift changes everything. Here's the hard truth. Most people are stuck not because they lack opportunity, but because their mindset is wired for survival, not growth. Think about it. In the US, we scroll past success stories every single day. The guy who started from his garage and built a business. The woman who left her 9-to-5 and became a millionaire through a side hustle. The difference? They stopped thinking like employees and started thinking like owners. Millionaire mindset isn't about waking up one day and having a trust fund. It's about building a mental operating system that attracts opportunity instead of waiting for permission. And here's the kicker: anyone can do it. Let's break this down. First, millionaires think long-term, not just right now. Most people make decisions like they're putting out fires: rent, gas, groceries. But millionaires? They think 5-10 years ahead. Instead of spending $500 on a new TV, they ask how that $500 can grow. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." That's not a cliché. It's a strategy. Long-term thinkers build wealth while short-term thinkers chase comfort. Second, they value skills more than status. Look around in the US, we glorify status. The car, the watch, the perfect Instagram post. But millionaires? They invest in skills that compound. Public speaking, negotiation, sales, mindset coaching. While everyone else flexes on TikTok, they're learning how to own the platform. Third, they see problems as opportunities. Average thinkers complain. Millionaire thinkers create solutions. When something goes wrong, they don't say, "Why me?" They say, "Okay, how do I win here?" That's why during tough economic times, the wealth gap grows. Because while most people panic, the wealthy pivot. So how can you start thinking like a millionaire today? Step 1. Rewire your self-talk. Catch yourself when you say "I can't" and switch it to "How can I?" That tiny shift turns a wall into a door. Step 2. Invest in one skill this month that moves you forward, whether it's a $20 book, an online course, or learning to sell your idea. Skills outlive trends. Step 3. Create a long-term vision board. Not just goals for next week, but 5 years. Where are you living? Who are you becoming? Millionaires are clear on the destination before they start the journey. Step 4. Build opportunity muscles. Every day, train yourself to spot one potential opportunity around you. A gap at work, a problem you can solve, a way to improve something. Step 5. Surround yourself with growth energy. You can't build a millionaire mindset in a broke environment. Not just financially broke, but mentally broke. Choose friends, podcasts, and content that lift your standards. Here's the beauty of this shift. Imagine 2 versions of you. One keeps playing it safe, living paycheck to paycheck, waiting for the right moment. The other starts thinking like a millionaire. 5 years later, that version of you has built something real. Maybe a business, maybe freedom, maybe just peace of mind. All because you changed your mental code. And yeah, challenges will come. You'll doubt yourself. You'll hear people say, "That's not realistic." But millionaires don't need permission. They give themselves permission. So today, stop asking, "Why not me?" I start saying, "Why not me?" If this message hit home, hit that like button, drop a "I'm leveling up" in the comments, and subscribe for daily mindset power-ups. Your millionaire journey doesn't start when the money shows up. It starts right here with how you think. Let's make it happen.